Well, hello friends. Here I am at Todd's Automotive, getting ready to put her in for an upgrade. That is a 6-inch upgrade. Alright. Well, I got her home and she drove like a dream. We put 35s and a 6-inch BDS lift.
Alright friends, like Katrina said, we got the 6-inch lift on it and got her done. The lift ended up being a BDS brand coilover 6-inch lift. We originally had 20-inch rims with the 33-inch by 12.5 tires on it, and we went with 17-inch rims and 35-inch by 12.5 tires on it to get us a little more meat on the side, a little more grip on the trails. And took her to Hidden Falls over the weekend, and she did really good. 100 times better than she did the first time we took her before the lift. So I think we're all set for future endeavors. We should have the video up for Hidden Falls in a couple of weeks, and a couple more months we're gonna head out to Utah and try it out in Moab, pulling the trailer. Stay tuned.